This is a video by thehealthyway.in. Today's question is, what is normal blood glucose? Or in other words, what is the blood glucose of a so-called normal non-diabetic person? Let's move ahead and find out what it really is. Okay, let's begin by trying to understand what is the best blood glucose number to have. In my opinion, it is 100 plus minus 20 milligrams per deciliter throughout the day. It should not exceed or go below 80 or exceed 120 in the 24 hours daily cycle. The second thing to keep in mind, as shown on the slide, is that blood is not a homogeneous substance. It differs from part to part of your body. So blood in your hands may be different from blood in your feet, different from blood in your heart, different from blood in your head. Because of this reason, and otherwise too, your blood sugar reading, that number is not a static number. It tends to change from moment to moment and from area to area from where it is drawn. Please keep these three things in mind as we go further with this show. After having noted the three key points, let's try to find out how our blood glucose behaves during the day by plotting a chart showing time in minutes on the x-axis and the blood glucose on the y-axis as shown on this slide. As you can see here, your blood glucose tends to rise over a period of time as soon as you've eaten or had something. How high it will go and how fast it will go that high is something which will be answered in a different video later on. As you can see, over a course of time, your nutrients have been digested and distributed, absorbed by the cells, and therefore your blood sugar tends to fall back towards the normal or the baseline again. And then this sing-song rhythm carries out throughout the day. Every time you eat something, it goes up. Over time, it comes down. Again, you eat something, again it tends to go up. Coming to the question of what is normal, as you can see on this slide, in the case of a non-diabetic, we'll call them normal for the time being. In the case of a non-diabetic, the blood sugar tends to go up and then come down back to its baseline within a period of time not more than 2 hours. In most cases, it will come down much earlier than 2 hours, but 2 hours is sort of the maximum. I've read countless studies which indicate that blood sugar levels of non-diabetics also shoot very high depending on what they've had, but within 2 hours they are back to normal again. If the person is a diabetic, or what I call metabolically challenged, because that's the name of my blog, if the person is a diabetic, the blood sugar, as you can see, has shot up high over time, and then it is coming down ever so slowly, meaning that it keeps lingering at a higher value for a much longer period of time than a non-diabetic. The key question now is, when you start eating again, what is your new base level? How to get yourself back into your base level within a decent amount of time is the subject for another video or another set of videos. We'll try and look at that later. I hope I have been able to answer this question today and you enjoyed looking at this video. Thank you so much.